Custom Tshirts Inc. is a USA-made company based in Reading, Pennsylvania. We're ready to take on any custom apparel order thanks to our state-of-the-art equipment and in-house process. Thanks to our eco-friendly color matching, we're able to create your custom color and get the product to you in a quick and efficient time frame. From start to finish, we put the best quality into our work. Our custom-made darkroom provides the ability to make custom screens in less than 2 hours. To make sure we can handle the high volume, we use a manual 6-color printing press and an automatic 8-color printing press. The automatic press is adjustable to ensure a clean and consistent print while also increasing efficiency. Built-in heaters allow for fast drying between prints, perfect for jobs with multiple colors. Looking to do a fundraiser or sport apparel order? Custom Tshirts Inc. can build you a custom online store so your contributors, fans, and athletes can easily order the items they want from anywhere, even on their phone. We also offer custom embroidery, multi-surface vinyl, and heat press printing, perfect for small orders or complex imagery. Feel free to visit our website by clicking the link in the description or give us a call at 610-816-7748 to place your order today. Let's bring your ideas to life.